Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and I am thrilled to present to you 42C Finch Street, Western Springs. If you're a young couple, first home buyer or a downsizer and you're looking to get your slice of the city fringe, then you need to add this property to your watch list today. It's ticking boxes left, right and centre with 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living and kitchen, a separate laundry, covered parking and a fantastic west facing deck and garden. Located down a peaceful right of way, there is no way of knowing you're a 5-minute drive from the CBD and only a 10-minute walk to Kingsland, with all the amazing cafes, restaurants and bars on offer. I absolutely love this cute little home and I'm convinced you will too. Come along to the open homes on the weekend and make sure you don't miss out.